Hey guys, so today I have got September's Witch Casket box to show you. I know a lot of you have been waiting for me to do this one. I feel like it must have arrived kind of late. I've seen some of the American people that I watch unboxing theirs already, and mine pretty much only arrived recently to the UK, so maybe I just got mine a little later than usual, I'm not too sure. But for anyone that hasn't seen me open this before, this is £27 to the UK. They do post it worldwide, it's all different prices, you would just have to check for your country what the price is, but to the UK it's 27. So we are just gonna get straight into it. So the theme for this month is cleansing magic, and I'm not loving this colour scheme. It's kind of always a certain colour every month. This month it's sort of this beigey brown. I don't love it, but I guess that's kind of going with the theme of the cleansing. It's like neutral and stuff. So this is just a little booklet that comes with it that tells you about everything in the box in more detail. I'm not going to go through that because I don't want to bore you all, but for anyone that gets the box or is thinking of getting the box, this is kind of like a more descriptive version of what is in here. So the first thing we have right on the top is a little print. This month it's kind of like a crystal ball with a hand and some smoke and stuff around it. This is by Lisa Schilling. So there's just that. Then you pretty much always get a little spell kit, and this one is pre-ritual cleansing kit. It says it contains everything you need to prepare your space for magic. So I will open this and show you what is in it. Okay, so in here we have some little instructions, and we have some rosemary, like a bag of herbs. We have dragon's blood incense, so there is 3 little incense cones in here. They actually don't smell very strong. I don't know if that's maybe because they've been kind of out of a box, but I'm not too sure, or maybe because I've got a bit of a cold I can't smell it great, but they don't smell the strongest. But there's 3 of those anyway. And then there's this little soft cloth, like a little white or cream kind of cloth. This is like one of those makeup removing cloths. It's like really soft fluff on one side, and then this kind of microfiber stuff on the other side. You could probably use it as a makeup remover cloth, to be fair. But yeah, that is the 3 little things with the instructions in that kit. Then next we've got a very random item. It's just a little burlap kind of sack which says curiosities on it. It is very cute. I'm not necessarily really sure what I would put in it. It's a bit of a weird size, but it's cute though, so there is that. Then we have our pin. You always get a pin. This one is a black candle. Kind of reminds me a little bit of Hocus Pocus with the black flame candle. I don't really think that's what they were going for, but it kind of gives me that sort of vibe. So there is that. Then we have our tea. You always get a tea. I am going to absolutely butcher what that's called. Ayurvedic Calming Tea. It says a relaxing caffeine-free blend of sweet and spicy herbs and fruits. Now, I never use these teas, so I'm not going to open this up. I don't want to kind of contaminate anything if I'm going to end up giving it to someone else or selling it to someone else. But, yeah, just a little tea, fruit tea. Then we have our crystal item for the month. Again, you pretty much always get a crystal, a gemstone, something like that. This month we have 2 little mini ones. So these are Witch Casket exclusive recharging crystal point set. It says, sit or stand comfortably, relax and take a few cleansing deep breaths. Hold the first of the quartz point facing outwards away from your body in your right hand, and hold the second quartz point facing inwards towards your body in your left hand. This allows the magical recharging energies of the quartz to flow into your body and through your body and out. So we have these 2 little quartz points. One is very clear, like glass, and this one has a little bit of a kind of like a, I don't know what you'd call it, It's just a bit less clear in that one at the bottom there. But they are very, very cute. So basically you put them in your palms like this, and it's supposed to recharge your energy and let energy flow in and out of your body. So there is those, very cute. I like when it tells you how to use crystals, because a lot of people I know get this box and they don't practice, so they don't really know how to use the crystals and stuff. So I like when it kind of tells you a little bit of instructions like that. Next we have a little bell. Now I watch a lady here on YouTube called Sugarfoot Tarot. I'm going to give her a bit of a shout out because she always shouts me out, and when she does her card readings she always has a little bell at the start, and I love it. It's so cute, and this really reminded me of her. So this is a silver pentacle altar bell. It says use the bell's clear vibrations to cleanse your magical space and banish negative, unwanted and stagnant energies. So I'm trying to not let it ring just yet. It has a little pentacle kind of engraved in on the front there. It is actually really solid and heavy, this, which is cute, and just kind of sounds like that. Very cute actually. If you're into, you know, actually practicing, or if you do readings or anything like that, I think this is a really cute little altar item. So there's that. Then we have this box which says cleansing essentials on it, and in here there is a lot of random little things. There is a little white tea light candle, just a simple tea light. There is a piece of sort of cardboard rope, it seems like. It's not real rope, it's sort of like a paper rope. There is a little rock, which I'm not sure what it is, but I'm sure we will find out in a second. And then there is this kind of crystally black sort of sand stuff. So what is this? Okay, so this is black salt. It says it's a powerful ritual tool used for removing hexes and banishing negative energies. Now I know a lot of people make their own black salt. Apparently this is just like, that is exactly what it looks like. It looks like salt granules but coloured black. So there is that. Then we have the white spell candle, which is used to purify and also stand in for any other colour. We have a black tourmaline crystal. To me that doesn't really look like tourmaline. It's a little rough, but fair enough. It says it's a powerful protective stone and it dispels negative energy from your magical space. Oh, okay, and then we have a frankincense rope incense, apparently. Yep, I see that now. I think I can't smell anything at the minute. I think that's what it is. So this is a great purifier, and it also aids with grounding and spiritual connection. So that is our 4 little cleansing essentials in here. Then we have some essential oil this month. You pretty much always get incense or essential oil or something that's like scented. So this one is called the Less Stress Blend by Ancient Wisdom. Let's smell it. I'm gonna assume because it's a stress one, it's gonna be lavender and stuff like that. If I can even get in this box. I've just stuck these nails on, so I'm scared they're gonna pop off. Okay, so this is lemon, sage and lavender oils. Let's have a smell. Not my kind of scent. I'm very weird when it comes to smells. I like really sweet, like sickly sweet kind of scents, like candy floss and stuff like that. So when I put essential oils in like my diffuser and stuff, I love it to be like really sugary ones. This is a general essential oil that's a very like grown up kind of smell, so it's not for me, but I know a lot of people will like it. And then the last item we have in here is a little incense holder. It's a little messy, not the kind of prettiest looking, cleanest one I've ever seen, but there's these 3 normal incense holes, and then there is one for those cones that we got earlier in the middle. Pretty cute. I don't really burn incense, so I don't need this, but it's a cute item though. It's very, you know, well made and everything. So there is that. And then we have our scroll. So you always get a little scroll for your book of shadows or just some information or whatever in here. So I will hold this up. I'm not going to read it out and bore you because generally lately they've been very long. So I'm just going to hold it up to the camera. If you want to pause and read, then you can do. This one says magical ways to cleanse your space. So we've got light, water, smoke cleansing, sound, salt and crystals. So hopefully that wasn't too fuzzy and I actually held it up to the camera. But yeah, that was everything in the witch casket for September. So I will quickly show you everything all together again at once. So there was the pre-ritual cleansing kit, the little art print, the Curiosities burlap bag, the calming tea, the 2 little quartz points, the cleansing essentials kit, the little pin, the pentagram or pentacle incense holder, the less stress essential oil, and the little bell. So all of these items in the September witch casket. So yeah, thanks for watching. I will put all the info down below for witch casket in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.